so excited to announce that we have officially launched Garage both in-store and online. So my base and brows are already done. I'm gonna go in with our Bronze and Glow Kit, which features our best-selling nudies in the shade Bondi Bay, which is a beautiful neutral bronzer for light to medium skin tones, and our Nudies Glow, which is a natural golden glow in the shade Hey Honey, which is my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna start with Bondi Bay, which is not only a bronzer, but great to contour with. And all I'm gonna do is just swipe this wherever I want a little bit of definition. So I like to apply it in a 3 formation. So starting from my forehead, through my temples, in the hollow of my cheek, and my jawline as well. And the beauty of all of our Nudies products that look like this, so either it's a blush, a bronze, or a glow, you can also use it on the eyes. So I'm just kind of tapping it on the eyelid. And then on the other end of the stick, there is a synthetic blending brush that does twist off so that you can wash it, which is key. So I'm just gonna use that to blend. And I love cream products because they look so natural on the skin. And if you do prefer to use your fingers, you can definitely do that. I'm usually in a rush when I'm doing my makeup, so I usually use my fingers. I also just find when you use your fingers, it just gives you more of a natural finish because the warmth from your fingers really helps melt the product into the skin. Also, I didn't mention, but every single NUDESTIX product comes in a tin. So this is the tin lid that has a mirror inside. So it's perfect if you're on the go and you're doing your makeup. It's a really nice mirror. And then just gonna blend my jawline. I'm gonna go in with another brush for this. A little bit of a fluffier brush, just to make sure it's fully blended. And I love to take a little bit of my Bondi Bay and kind of just swipe it on the bridge of the nose as well to give me more of a sun-kissed look. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Swipe in a 3 formation, and then either using your fingers or a brush, you're just going to blend. Apply a little bit on my eyelids as well for a really nice bronzy eye base. You could even swipe a little bit on your lips. And that's it. Next I'm going in with our Glow and Hey Honey, which comes with Bondi Bay, and this is the most beautiful golden highlight. It gives you the most pretty, fresh, dewy finish, and sits so beautifully on the skin. It's not tacky or sticky. It just feels like nice hydrated skin. And I'm gonna take a little bit with my finger and just place it on all the high points of my face. So my brow bone, the center of my lid, the inner corner of my eye, the nose, the lip, pretty much anywhere I wanna look glowy. And it gives you the appearance that you just came back from the spa, which I love, or you just came back from vacation. Love that, love it. And then I am going to use our Nudies Blush and Glow Kit. So we have a Bronze and Glow Kit. This is our Blush and Glow Kit, which features our best-selling blush in the shade Naughty and Spice, which is a really pretty dusty rose. and our Nudes Glow in the shade Illumi-naughty, which is a clear iridescent highlight. So because I already added some glow, I'm gonna go in with my blush, and this is again your 3-in-1 product, so for your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm kind of just gonna use it on my cheeks and on my lips. And you just wanna draw it wherever you want a little bit of color. For me, I love applying my blush right in the center of my cheeks. And then again, using the brush on the other end, I'm just gonna kind of tap it in. Or you can use your fingers. I always end up using my fingers at the end because I just find it gives you more of a natural finish. It kind of just melts everything together. And then on my lips, I'm just going to dab it. Just like that. And then for my day look, I'm gonna take our Smoky Gold Eye Kit, which comes with 3 beautiful eye colors in the shade Burnish, Chocolate, and Copper Foil. So 1 matte and 2 luminous tones. I'm gonna take Burnish, which is a really pretty golden bronze, and I'm just going to swipe this all over my lid, up into my crease, and then using my fingers, I'm just going to blend that out. It gives you a really pretty wash of color. And same thing on the other end, on the other eye. And what I love about these products is that they are waterproof and smudge proof. That's why they're called magnetic, because they don't go anywhere. And I love how they're so easy to blend. And are also very buildable. So this is quite a sheer wash of color, but if you do want to build it for more of a nighttime look, you can definitely do that. And then for my lips, for my daytime look, I am going to use our Kiss Me Nudes lip kit, which comes with 3 lip shades, Kiss, Burgundy, and Pulse. So Pulse being more of like a glossy, neutral lip color. Kiss is more of a matte, creamy matte, dusty rose. And then we have Burgundy, which is our magnetic matte formula, which is like a super long wearing matte lip, and a beautiful kind of burgundy tone. I'm not even gonna try to describe the shade. It's like a nice corduroy color. So I'm gonna use our Gel Color Balm in Pulse because it's a perfect daytime lip. It's also super hydrating. So if you have dry lips, you'll love this. And then on the cheeks, you want to just kind of swipe it right on the apples. And then either using your fingers or a brush, you just want to blend. Kind of tapping that in, making sure there's no harsh lines. Whew. Pretty. And that is my day look. Oh, I'm going to go in with mascara. Can't forget a little bit of mascara. And now to transition into night. So really easy. This will not take much time. I'm going to go back in with our Smoky Gold Eye Kit. I'm gonna go back in with Burnish. Where's my Burnish? Okay, I'm gonna go back in with Burnish, which is the shade that I used for my day look. And I'm just going to amp it up on my lids. So just adding a little bit more color makes all the difference. See? So this is like 1 layer sheared out versus, sorry. This is 1 layer sheared out versus 2 layers just lightly tapped onto the lid. And you can also use this in the lower lash line. just like that. And then I am going to go in with our magnetic matte eye color in the shade Chocolate, which will really help intensify your night look. And I'm just going to very lightly use this right on the outer corner of my lid, just like that. And then using my fingers, I'm just going to smudge it out. So it's just gonna add a little bit more definition along the crease and the outer corner of the eye. You really don't need much of this for it to make a dramatic effect. So this is one eye with chocolate, without chocolate. So as you can see, it just adds a little bit more depth along the crease. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You want to make sure that you blend these super quickly, because once they set, they are not going anywhere. I think that looks pretty good, pretty even. Okay, not too shabby, Taylor. We're going. And then I'm using the last eye color in the Smoky Gold Eye Kit, which is the shade Copperfoil, which is a really pretty luminous copper. And I'm just going to use this right in the inner corner of my eyes. Just adds a little bit of a pop. Just adds a little special something. And then for my lips, I'm going in with our magnetic matte lip color in the shade Burgundy. Really pretty for a night look. And I'm not going to use this super pigmented. I'm going to smudge it out a little bit with my fingers for because I do have a lot going on my eyes. So I'm going to start by lining the lip. And then using my finger, I'm just going to tap to diffuse the color and make it look more blurred. So essentially I'm just erasing, like I'm blurring out my lip line because I don't want it to look too intense. And then, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna clean up the outer edges with my brush. And then for the final touch, a little, whoop, oh God. Okay. We're not getting that today. For the final touch, I'm just gonna add a little bit more mascara. And that is it. That's my day to night look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you wanna find NUDESTIX, you can now shop us online and in store at Garage. Hope to see you guys soon. So just a quick glance of what my final look looks like. So as you can see, this is my makeup and natural lighting. And then I'm wearing this Garage one shoulder long sleeve shirt, which I'm obsessed with. And it's cropped, which is great because you can wear it with high-waisted anything. And then I'm wearing this Garage leather skirt, which I love. I would even pair it with like a graphic tee for a daytime look with some runners. It's super cute. And that's it. Bye guys.